Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. So here in this video, I'm going to give you the clarity about the trajectory of your UGC NET English preparation. Students do not know when they should stop preparing, how much preparation they should do. They simply get stuck into the loop of this preparation. Even in situation like these, where you do not know whether your exam will be reconducted or the result will be released. If you know how much preparation is required for this examination and when I should stop doing it and start adding the other experiences, skills, certificate, qualification to my resume, which will enhance my APA and will ensure my job, you will be much more relieved because now you know that what you should do to crack this examination and get your job, right? 6 months to 1 year of preparation is more than enough. All you have to do is go through the exam oriented content, your standard books, your previous year's question paper. I have shared strategy like hundreds of times on this channel. If you're going through this channel, if you're watching me from the very beginning, you know everything, right? That how to prepare for this examination. Maybe you were not able because you were not consistent, right? You had not get access to the exam oriented content. I do not know about it. But 6 months to 1 year of preparation is more than enough. And once you have covered the major chunk of the syllabus, you will be capable to attempt 60% questions in the exam. And this is all what you need to crack your net. For JRF, it obviously take 8 months to 1 year of time. All right. And once you have devoted that much time, and if you were consistent in your preparation, you will surely get your JRF. Right. And this is something I wanted to tell you. Once you have done it, you have no need to do that rigorous preparation. Then only it will take you 1 to 2 hours for your periodical revision. And this is all what you have to do. ठीक है, एक इंटरवल के बाद आपको लाइक विद इन अ वीक 2 या 3 बार आपको रिवीजन करना है अपने नोट्स का विच यू हैव क्रिएटेड or whether you have bought from us or you have highlighted those main important lines. Still, I would encourage you, if you will like get access to the notes or you are like taking classes from my professor note, still, you should write down those important points that will help you immensely. Right? If you have any query, any doubt, information you need, you can just simply contact here on this number which is mentioned here, and the Telegram channel is also there. You can join it for the updates, right? So this is what I wanted to tell you, how much preparation you should do and when you should stop, because I do not want you to repetitively preparing for this same examination and just killing yourself inside. ठीक है? You will start doubting yourself, आपका confidence चला जाता है, you become underconfident, right? You need to build the networks. If you do not have networks now, you won't be able, like, ever able to know those vacancies which are available there in the colleges, right? Which they are filling with the internal recommendations only, वो एडवर्टाइज नहीं की जाती. ठीक है? तो आपको कॉन्फ्रेंसेज में, सेमिनार्स में, वर्कशॉप में पार्टिसिपेट करके वो लिंक डेवलप होंगे. अपने प्रोफेसर्स के साथ कम्युनिकेशन करो. ठीक है? यू विल फील मच मोर रिलीव्ड बिकॉज नाउ यू आर गोइंग आउट, यू आर मूविंग आउट, यू आर लिविंग इन द प्रैक्टिकल वर्ल्ड. आप उस बुक की ही दुनिया में नहीं रह रहे हो. इतना प्रेपरेशन एक बार किया, 6 मंथ to 1 year तक का टाइम दिया, दिल लगा के प्रेपरेशन किया, इन्वेस्ट किया स्टडी मटेरियल में, क्लासेस में. यू डिड नॉट लेफ्ट एनी स्टोन अनटर्न्ड. आपको कोई रिग्रेट नहीं है कि मैंने ये नहीं किया, मेरे अपना ज्यादा वक्त लगा. ठीक है? इन्वेस्ट करो उस चीज में. ठीक है? दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट, ताकि आपका जल्दी से जल्दी वो चीजें हों. एंड आफ्टर दैट, जस्ट just get out of this loop and start putting efforts outside this exam preparation, building your CV, learning things, adding skill, adding experience, adding qualification, adding more certificate, which will ensure your job. This is what I want you to do. Now, you can also share your experiences, your views, your opinion in the comment section below. I will be happy to read them. I will surely get back to you. And I have started this literary terms series from A to Z. I'll be covering all the important topics. So I hope you will like it. I have already uploaded the one video of it. I'll be uploading the next one very soon. So till then time, this is Bhupesh Sharma. You will very soon find me with another important video. You can just write down all your opinions in the comment section below. and do share and do like with the do share with the other aspirants who are preparing. We'll see you soon. Bye.